everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an informative guide for you all about laminate flooring. If you're considering giving your home a makeover or thinking about flooring options, you're in the right place. We'll be diving into the pros and cons of laminate flooring to help you make an informed decision. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more helpful home improvement content. Now, let's get started. Pros of laminate flooring. Affordability. One of the major advantages of laminate flooring is its affordability. Laminate is a cost-effective option for those looking to upgrade their floors without breaking the bank. Variety of styles. Laminate flooring comes in a wide range of styles and patterns, mimicking the look of hardwood, tile, or stone. This means you can achieve the aesthetic you want without the high cost associated with some other materials. Easy installation. Installation of laminate flooring is typically straightforward, and many homeowners find it to be a DIY-friendly option. Durability. Laminate is known for its durability. It's resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas in your home. Cons of laminate flooring. Moisture sensitivity. While laminate is durable, it is sensitive to moisture. Excessive water exposure can cause the planks to warp or swell, so it's essential to avoid installing it in areas prone to moisture, like bathrooms. Not real wood. Although laminate does a fantastic job of mimicking the look of real wood, some people prefer the authenticity and warmth of natural hardwood. Limited repair options. If a plank gets damaged, repairing laminate flooring can be a bit challenging. Unlike hardwood, where you can sand and refinish, with laminate, you often need to replace the entire plank. Environmental impact. Some laminate flooring products may contain materials that are not environmentally friendly. If sustainability is a significant concern for you, be sure to check for eco-friendly options when shopping for laminate. There you have it, folks, the pros and cons of laminate flooring. Remember, every flooring option has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Happy renovating!